Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, right now, we're joined by an amazing singer, gospel artist, Omari. Welcome, General.
Yes, thank you for having me, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Aww. You smile nice to say. So, it's been a while. Tell us, what have you been up to?
Well, there's a lot of work, you know, kind of just spending more time to spread the music into other places across the world, you know, into Africa, you know, doing quite a bit of work in Africa, you know, different parts of Africa, you know, like Kenya, Zimbabwe, Uganda. So the music is spreading in those places. Lots of people don't really know you have reggae gospel, but in those places, but it's doing really great. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yep.
So you performed on stage with a whole heap of gospel giants.
Yeah.
Who would you say is your favorite today?
I have quite a bit of them, but I'm a big Kirk Franklin fan. That how he writes, how he arranges music, and the fact that he's able to connect with every generation that comes. It's like this guy just cannot fade.
That's true.
You know, and I admire him as a gospel. You know, and when Help came out and when Storm came out, you know, the same kind of fight that he had. You know, this and the reggae, and you know, he came out with Stomp with kind of like a hip-hop-ish. So it's similar fights, you know, but same victory.
Nice. All right, so speaking of singles, tell us about the single that you're going to perform for us today.
It's entitled I Am Healed, produced by Triton Music, you know, the boss, big up yourself, brother. And it's a single, it's a different side of Omari that a lot of people has not really got the opportunity to see.
Is it personal to you?
Yeah, it's personal in a lot of sense, you know. People more used to Omari doing the reggae and the, you know, the Father God help and the Jehovah guide me, but this is just a more laid-back type of side of Omari. So people, you know, I can do it all sides. Afro-pop, reggae, dancehall,
everything.
Yeah, that's
the material.
Talent, gifting.
Awesome. Well, the stage is yours, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Omari,
happy to be here.
Whoa, yeah. I need a healing, you need a healing, the world needs a healing, so come for your healing. I am healed, yes I am. Tell everyone, he's got a plan. I am healed, you are healed, yes I am, yes I am. Tell everyone that yes you can. Take me to the mountaintop, show me your canvas, how you paint the fields and how trees are planted. And I will not hush, and I will rejoice, if given so much, so I will rejoice. I am healed, yes I am. Tell everyone, he's got a plan, he's got a plan. I am healed, you are healed, yes I am, yes I am. Tell everyone, that yes I am. The world looks like it will, memory is never too far. No, you can count on the Lord, and all your enemies will. You will rise up and they will. He will correct all your flaws. Just put your hands to the stars and say, yes I am. I'm telling everyone, he's got a plan. I am healed, you are healed, yes I am, yes I am. Yes I am, yeah. So no matter what you're going through, no matter what you're facing, no matter what you're going through, no matter what you're facing, just know that God will never leave you nor forsake you. And you need a healing, the world needs a healing, so come for your healing, yeah. I am healed, yes I am, yeah. I'm telling everyone that he's got a plan. You are healed. Yes, I am.
Hey, I like it. I like it. Can I hide, oh man?
I am healed.
Nice, hi, but I love it. No, I'm okay. I know my lane, I'll stay in it. I'm good.
Stay in the lane.
I'm good, I'll stay in it. So tell us about, do you have any local shows coming up?
Well, not right now, but
Oh.
you know, I have shows in the US, you know, that we're preparing ourselves for, you know, planning for the tour in Africa. We're going to be visiting 5 different nations in Africa, you know, and that is going to be very, very dynamic. You know, we're going into the communities, into the slums, and we're going to be keeping a lot of grand concerts in the different cities in Africa.
Right.
So it's just ministry, man. Just ministry.
That's
just
what
the
I was
work.
gonna ask.
Yeah.
Like, because of the subject matter of the song, that's what I was gonna ask if it's part of the strategy to go into these areas to bring the music and the ministry to these people.
Right. Definitely. Healing comes in many different facets. A lot of time when people think about healing, talk about physical healing, you know, being healed from probably, you know, a disease or something. But healing is so wide. There are people who are sick mentally, people who are sick emotionally. Cannot let go of a hurt or a pain of somebody that did something to them in the past.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, so healing is way far more rounded than just the physical healing. And in places like that, all around the world, not just pointing on Africa, but all around the world, right there in the US, right here in Jamaica, you know, our people we are bound by different concepts and different attitudes and behaviors and different things that we feel like, okay, yeah, this is just how I am. But really and truly, a lot of us can be sick mentally, you know, with just how we think. And that is really what is preventing a lot of the growth, even as a nation, you know. Even as a nation.
Omari, where can we find you on social media?
Well, Omari underscore music on Instagram. Most of the time I'm on my Instagram. You know, sometimes I just, you know, I'm on my Instagram. Believe me, I literally use my Instagram.
So go bother him on Instagram is what he's saying. Go call him.
And on Facebook, you know, Omari Edwards, you know, I also have a website again, omariedwards.com. And just feel free, you know. If you need a prayer, just send it, you know. Pray for me, Omari, pray about this. Sometimes you may not get a reply from me, but we will definitely pray. Me and my wife will pray about it for sure. Definitely.
Right, thank you so much for joining us on the show. That song was lovely. I am
you.
healed.
Yes.
I love it. That's great.
Definitely.
That's great. Thank you so much.
Bless up.
Thank you very much, everybody, for tuning in. We'll be back on Tuesday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, and
mix.
Mad
Big up
thing.
yourself.
Better
Well, have a
live
good
out.
weekend.